Hey guys, we received this Tomtoc electronics organizer travel case for test and try. It's a water resistant travel bag with a cable organizer or thing organizer for essentials, and you can just put it anywhere in your bag and then take easily. So the first impression, a very nice material with the strap and everything. The zipper and the stitches are good. There is no issue with those qualities. So quality wise is a really good made, like manufacturing for this case. And then is ample space for your cords, chargers and everything. And you can see it has a strap as well, and then a zipper pouch, and the normal pouch is here. So the zipper can be used for some documents that you don't want, or your flash drive or something, and then easily keep it here. So say I'm putting some of these adapters and the cables for you to see how this goes. You can put in one the more stuff, so more organized. You can also fold in the cables, but I'm just trying to show the space. So just to put on some random stuff, so you can just put in your mobile or everything, and this becomes a handy pouch. So you can be just easy to put. So say like I put a lot of stuff in here now. So this is a good pouch, very nice, and you can just put all these things at once in your bag. So no more clusters, no more issues, and you can just put in anywhere you want. So overall, it's a very great pouch, or the travel case pouch, to take you with the travel.